So today's the last day for the following tasks. It's code wars, array object, coding as a task, then DOM API test, and cross-check review for online zone. Do you have any questions regarding these tasks? Maybe topics? Okay. Starting from today, new task has become available. It's DOM. This test related to DOM events. And the deadline for this task is 6th of December, as well as deadline for bookshop.
Sorry,
cross-check submit.
Sorry, are you sharing your screen or?
No, I'm not sharing.
Okay.
I hope you have access to the up-res school.
No, I just thought maybe you are sharing it. I can see. Okay, it's okay.
I'm just describing it. And another task which has the same deadline is cross-check submit for bookshop. Please pay attention to these deadlines, because at this point sometimes they are intersected. So maybe you have any questions regarding topics covered in this week?
Bookshop is deadline of bookshop is for submitting is next week, yeah? End of next.
Yes.
Not
for submitting week. Is next week, 6th of December.
Okay, not this week. Yeah.
Not this week. This week is coding task for code wars, then test task for DOM API, and cross-check review for online Zoom.
Okay, only week 2, yeah?
Yeah, and bookshop for submitting is next week, and for review is the week after the next one.
And what about online Zoom week 3? Is it skipped or?
I don't see it in the schedule, so I guess it will be probably. It was removed, or maybe moved to another section.
Maybe.
Okay, if you don't have any questions for now, we can close this call, and you are free to ask any questions in the Discord channel. Thank you all, and have a nice day. Good luck. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Oh, we just have another one. Hello, Evgeny. We are closing this call, but if you have any questions, please feel free to ask.
I apologize. I don't have any.
Okay, so I just reminded during this call that today is the deadline for online Zoom review, DOM API test, and coding task code wars. And next week is the deadline for submitting bookshop for review for submitting for cross-check, and test for DOM events. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in Discord. Thank you all, and goodbye.
Bye, thank you.